Today I'm going to show you how to change the engine air filter on a 2014 Mazda CX-5. This works with several different Mazda CX-5 years all the way up to current. First step is to open your engine bay and securely latch the hood. This is the filter I'll be using today. It's a EP Auto. I bought it on Amazon. I've had good luck with this brand before. I'll have links to this and many other filters that you can buy on Amazon in the description below. This is a very easy job to do. All you need to do is to remove these two tabs, which you can easily do with your fingers. The airbox then lifts up. The filter then lifts out. The bottom is the dirty side. Here's the new filter. It's universal, and it just goes in the place there. There are these tabs. They correspond with tabs on the side of the top of the lid of the box. Be careful, there is a wire here that's a little bit stiff in my case. The airbox goes into those tabs, and then on the right hand side you just put these metal over and your job is done. Super simple, super easy. Anybody can do this. Remember, I'll have links in the description below to where you can find this on Amazon. If you have any questions, please sure to ask in the comments below. And you've just saved yourself significant money.